Hello students, welcome back to the lecture series on Introduction to Scilab Software. This is video part 15. Now in this video we are going to continue with our question set 13 which we have solved in the previous part 14 video. So we have solved the first three questions of a system of linear equations. Let us see the next question. Now just observe the system of linear equation. You can see that there are total 4 variables x, y, z, w. In the first equation, y and z are missing. In the second, x and w are missing. In the third, x and y are missing. But even if they are missing, what we have to do is we have to consider it while solving the system of linear equation. So let us write the matrix A. So just tell me what will be the order of the matrix A. It will be a matrix of order 4 by 4 since we have 4 equations in 4 unknowns. So let us write the first. As I have said, the first column represents the coefficients for x. The second column will represent coefficient for y. The third will represent coefficient of z. And fourth one represent the coefficient for w. So it is better if you write the matrix representation and then you type here the actual coefficient matrix. But let us see how we can manage. Let us A is matrix where first is the coefficient of x which is 1, coefficient of y which is 0, coefficient of z which is 0, then coefficient of w which is -2. Now for the second row, coefficient of x is 0, coefficient of y is 2, coefficient of z is 2 and coefficient of w is 0. Now in the third one, coefficient of x is 0, coefficient of y is 0, coefficient of z is 1 and then 3 is the coefficient of w. Now the last one, coefficient of x is -2, then 3, then 2, then 1. So this way we have declared our coefficient matrix of order 4 by 4. So after declaring this, just declare the constant term matrix which is a matrix of order 4 by 1 again. It is a -3, semicolon 0, semicolon 1, semicolon 5. So this is your matrix B. So you can directly do this command or you can write x comma kernel A which is equal to lin solve, where you are going to get the solution as well and the fact about the solution, whether it is a unique solution or the infinitely many solution. Lin solve A comma minus B. So the solution x is there and the kernel of A is a non-empty set where we have one column or one vector. That means there is one free variable and the solution which is displayed here is not the unique one. We have many more or we have infinitely many such x which satisfy the given system of linear equations. So we can write in the comments that it has infinitely many solutions for our reference. Since the kernel of A is non-empty, so this also you can state there. So let us clear this and let us solve the questions C and D. Let us solve the A is the coefficient matrix which is 2, 1, 1, then it is 3, 2, 3, then we have 1, 4, 9. This is A. Then B is a column matrix which is 10, 18 and 16. And let us see the command. So here you observe that x is the solution of the system and kernel of A, just empty brackets, that means kernel of A is an empty set. That means there is no free variable. Each column is having a pivot position. In that case only we don't get any free variable. So here the solution which is displayed is a unique solution to this system. The D question, where we have again 4 variables. The first is x, y, z and w. So let us write the first row 1, -2, 1, 3. Then we have 1, 1, 1, -1. And then we have third equation 3, 1, 1, -1. 1 minus 1, 1, 3. Then 1, 1, 1, -1. And then 3, 1, 1, -1. It is a system of 3 linear equations in 4 unknowns. So order of the matrix A is 3 by 4. So something is wrong with this. So what we have done, 1, we haven't written 1 minus 1, 1, 3. 1 minus 1, 1, 3. Then 1, 1, 1 in the next. Okay, the space is missing here. 1, 1, 1, -1. 3, 1, 1, -1. So this is now done. Then declare the matrix B. It's a matrix of order 3 by 1. It's 13, 8 and the 0. 13, 8 and 0. So let us write the previous command. So we see that the kernel of A is a non-empty set. The given solution X is not unique. That means there are infinitely many solutions to this system. So this way we have completed with our solving the system of linear equations. Now there are few more questions, E and F. So we can try those questions as well. So the first one is system of 3 linear equations in 4 unknowns. So again the order of the matrix will be 1, 1, 1, 1. Then we have 2, 1, -1 and w coefficient is 0. Then we have x coefficient 3, y coefficient 1, z coefficient 0 again and w coefficient 2. So this is our matrix A. Then what is the matrix B? The matrix B is 6, 3, 6. 6, 3, 6. Semicolon is missing. Okay, so let us solve, solve A minus B. So again the kernel of A, we have the solution, and kernel of A is a non-empty set. We are having infinitely many solutions. So viewers can try for the question F. I'll leave it up to you. So we are going to continue in the next lecture with the new topic. Thank you so much.